Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to be reviewing a shampoo that I got my hands on, and the one I'm talking about is the Park Avenue Beer shampoo right here. Now in the video further, I will be giving you all details about the packaging, the quality, quantity, texture, consistency and my honest experience with the same. So if you want to know all those details, then please continue watching. Now coming to the packaging of the shampoo, this is what it looks like. It is a cute funky beer-like bottle and it's very innovative and creative. So big thumbs up to the brand for coming up with something like this. It instantly catches one's attention, and the bottle is made of plastic, so it's absolutely travel friendly. There is no fear of the bottle breaking, and even the cap is easy to open and shut, and once you shut it, it's tightly secured, so there will be absolutely no product fallout. And it has a total of 350 ml of product, which is amazing for the price that it offers. Now talking about the texture and consistency of the shampoo, it is not too thick, it is not too runny, it is somewhere in between, and when you apply it on the scalp, it creates the right amount of lather to get rid of all the dirt, impurities and dandruff, thereby making it squeaky clean. So this is what the shampoo looks like. This is the color of the shampoo. It is an orange color which looks more or less like orange juice. And apart from that, the fragrance is on point, as it's not too overpowering, it is not too mild. It just leaves this amazing fragrance in your hair after washing it, and I absolutely fell in love with it, and I'm sure you will as well. So all those who have not tried a beer shampoo previously and are skeptical on doing so, I would definitely recommend this one to you all, as I have personally tried it and I absolutely fell in love with it. A beer shampoo is infused with ingredients such as phosphorus, copper, magnesium and B vitamins, which makes for an amazing hair care ingredient. And apart from that, it acts as a cleanser and conditioner, so when you're traveling, you can just throw this into your bag and you're good to go, as it makes your hair very soft and silky. I have washed my hair a couple of times with this one, and after using it, it did add a lot of volume, bounce and shine to my hair, and also got rid of all the dirt, impurities and dandruff, thereby making it squeaky clean. And also, if you're suffering from a dry scalp condition, you should try this one out, as it improves the scalp condition to a very great extent. So this shampoo consists of 0.25% of alcohol, and all the ingredients are mentioned on the packaging. This is available on Nykaa and Amazon. I'll be leaving the links down below in the description box. And if you have any queries related to the shampoo, please feel free to ask me, as I will be more than happy to help you with the same. So I would rate this shampoo 4.5 out of 5, as the pricing, quality, quantity, fragrance and packaging is on point. I absolutely love the shampoo, and I can assure you, you guys will love it too. So this brings us to the end of the video. If you all enjoyed watching it, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, as I'll be coming up with a lot more fun videos for you all. So thank you so much, and I'll see you all soon in my next one. Until then, stay healthy and stay beautiful.